So basically our project is to obtain real-time greenhouse data from the stratosphere. So we're trying to hit between 80 to 130 feet, somewhere in that range. And the type of sensor data we want is like CO2, NO2, and even some extra ones like temperature.
Right.
So once we have that data from the sensors, we'll be able to beam it down and analyze the data.
So we're launching out of Albany, New York today. It's currently a little before 9. The weather's looking pretty good, no strong winds. We're hoping to reach about 70,000 feet this time around. So that's more for the real-time data testing.
Right.
We're hoping to land somewhere in western Massachusetts around Greenfield, Deerfield area. It should be about an hour and a half total time with 1 hour till burst and then 30 minutes for descent.
Okay.
Yeah, so right now what we got is an Arduino Uno. We were using the Nano, but we needed a little bit more power, and the Uno has a better power output. So the sensors are all in the front of the payload. So here we have the DMP 180, which is a pressure and temperature sensor, an UV sensor, an NO2 sensor. This is an ozone sensor, and this is a carbon sensor. And they're all connected to the Arduino Uno, which is going to read the sensor data. We also have a Raspberry Pi in this case, which is going to connect to the Uno, and it's going to be used to transmit the data through the antenna that's at the bottom of the payload.
Cool.
Basically, we have a contractor which is going to be inside of our payload, and once we can see that it's in a consistent place and we have the coordinates for it, we're going to try and locate it. We could put the coordinates into something like Google Maps and see the location where it lands, and then try and use some sort of GPS on an app maybe, or on our iPhones, and try to locate it that way and try to find it. It kind of stands out, as you can see, because it's watermelon colored green in the
What about if it lands on top of the tree? What are you gonna do?
Someone can try and climb for it maybe, but best bet is we call someone who has some expertise with handling with cutting trees, and we'll have them help us to relocate and to grab our payload.
Worst case, we go buy a chainsaw.
Good. Well, you're gonna remember this for the rest of your life, so.
Oh, does that need to be in?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought that we were like...
You good? Okay, I'm gonna start and we'll do that at go, okay? 3,
Yeah, camera's on.
2,
You can see the
1,
thing
go!
over there.
Oh, wow. I told you this thing has a lot of nozzle
I
lift.
think we don't need to.
Okay, so wait.